In this video, we are going to show you how to take pictures and make them look different in PowerPoint. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here, I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select and insert it. Click the right button, duplicate the slide. Again, click on right button, go to Format Picture, go to Picture Color, select black and white color and make the sharpness size -100. Go back to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have removed the background of the same car. Select and insert it. Increase the size of the car, adjust it according to picture behind it. Go to Transitions and select Fade. Increase the duration size. Click the right button, duplicate the slide, go back to Insert, select text box, write Welcome here, select and center your content. Also change the font color, change the font, make it bold, increase the font size also. Go to Text option, go to Shadow, select this shadow from presets, click on right button and send to backward. Go to first slide and now click on slideshow. So see friends, this way you can make a picture stand out even more. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.